everyone, I am Isar Mishra and today I am going to show you how to make a puppy using paper. You will need paper, scissor, glue, crayons or oil pastels, pencil, scale and eraser. So let's get started. A4 sheet and you need to fold it diagonally like this and then cut out the excess. After you fold it diagonally like a triangle, cut the excess and then you need to draw some lines. So now you need to draw like a square and a square and another square and like draw a triangle and then use scissors to cut the shapes you drew. So now after you've cut your shapes like this, this is our tail. So you have to just fold it parallelly like this and then go to the other side. Then go to the other side and do the same in the front and the back and then open it from here and then just fold it on the back side like this. And then close it back in. So now there's our tail. So now I've glued the ears and now time to glue the nose. now I finished the dog's face and then to give it to his body. There we go, your dog. And just draw some spots on the body just like you did on the head. And then fill them with color of your choice. And there we go, you have your dog. I mean puppy, sorry. Thank you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and make that red button gray. And hit the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. And also smash that like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.